go up in that area now, and it is beginning to push out the dent from in there, if you can look. And now that area has come out quite considerably, so I have to sand down all the high spots or low spots I've got to fill, but hopefully I'll be able to push out some more using a hammer and dolly. But yeah, it's coming out quite good, so I'm pleased with that. So next job is just to carry on pushing out until we can get this more level here. So now you can see I've pulled that dent out quite well on that using this tool here out of my piston, and that's pulling or pushing out that dent. You see there it's risen a little bit, but if I move over to here a bit now, that will move that out, and then it's just a matter of knocking out these high spots with a hammer and then sanding this area here to make smooth, because as you can see there's not much of an area now that needs to be filled. I don't like using filler at the best of times, so hopefully by doing this it will eradicate the amount of low spots. Okay, so I've knocked those out now, so now I'm going to start to sand that area down, and there as well. Knock any high spots like there out. Once I've sanded it, then I'll fill it down, fill it up, fill it down, flip. Okay, so I've gone over that. It's only got a tiny little bit of extra over the sides, but that will actually rub off even when it's dry on the top. That will be so thin that will just rub off with a wet cloth, and then once that's dry we can then go over with paint, as I say, just very lightly, try not to get any sort of strokes from the actual brush. But we'll see how that looks afterwards. Okay, so I've cleaned the access off, and now we're just going to go ahead and paint over the top. Okay, so we're just slowly going over that area there, and maybe just come up over to the edging where the edge of the good paint is. The access white will rub off once it dries, because it's only a very thin film. Okay, so I've just finished filling after sanding, and now I'm going to leave this to dry now till Monday, and then we'll come back, give it a sand, smooth it off, do any other bits that need doing on that door, and then we'll primer. As I say, when I do this I'll curl this back so when we spray it'll blend in. I'm not going to have a line going straight down the middle, that looks silly. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll come back Monday and carry on doing this job and using the hydraulic ram to push that dent out of the subframe or the shell. Till then, see you later, and bye.